Hi, in this demo, we will showcase installation of AMCOP on any existing Kubernetes deployment using AMCOP operator in a simple manner. So for this demonstration, we are using a Kubernetes cluster with the single node, providing all-in-one functionality. And we will be looking forward to use a storage class to provide persistent volumes for MCOP. So since this is a vanilla Kubernetes deployment, we are going to first create a storage class which provides uh, persistent volumes with the dynamic provisioner that are backed by local SSD. If in case you are running on any of the public cloud, you usually will have a default storage class already available. So you can skip this step in such scenarios and look forward to use the existing storage class. So next, we will roll out the operator itself. And we are going to be using the release v2.1.0 of AMCOP. So with this, the operator itself is deployed. So we'll quickly check the pods available. And we can probably set a watch on this one. And furthermore, now we are going to do the actual deployment of AMCOP. So you can choose to override the default values for installation, but usually you will be good to proceed with the default configuration itself. So you can just apply default.yaml corresponding to this release. So with this, we will see the status for the deployment. So right now the operator framework is rolling out release v2.1.0. And if we switch over to the pod window, we see all the components are being deployed stage by stage basis. So in approximately 4 minutes and 20 seconds, we see the status of the deployment is now changed to deployed. So once AMCOP is deployed, you can move on to AMCOP UI and continue using and enjoying its features. Thank you.